OpenAI just released AgentKit, their newest product, which is a drag-and-drop AI agent builder. And I know you probably have a lot of questions. Like, what exactly does it do? Who is it built for? Can anyone use it, or is it just for developers who know how to code? And where does it even stand in the market compared to other AI agent building platforms? So today, I'm gonna answer all of those questions so you can make informed decisions about which tools are best for you. And even though it's obvious the market for AI agents and platforms to build them is booming, here's the catch. Not all platforms are built the same. Some tools, like OpenAI's AgentKit, are designed for developers prototyping ideas. And yes, they're cool, but you still need coding skills to be able to use them, or otherwise bring an entire engineering team on board, which can be quite expensive. And other platforms like StackAI are designed for enterprise teams, with true no-code capabilities, over 100 integrations, a variety of outputs to choose from, and 7 layers of governance. So let's quickly take a look at the entire landscape and see exactly where the new AgentKit falls in. Almost every single platform available on the market right now falls into one of these 3 following categories. First category is personal use. Here we can find platforms like Lindy, NA10, Zapier. They are great at automating daily tasks and personal workflows, but they are not designed for organizational scale. Another category is tools for developer prototyping. Platforms like Flowise, LangFlow, and now OpenAI's AgentKit. You can view them as essentially developer playgrounds. They're perfect for experimenting with workflows, testing prompts, or connecting APIs, but they still are very limited and heavily rely on coding. Let's take a look at what AgentKit offers and what it doesn't offer, since it's the newest product on the market. AgentKit is drag-and-drop canvas for agent workflows. It has native OpenAI integrations like GPT-5, GPT-4.1. It has MCP support for extensibility and built-in templates. What AgentKit is not: production-ready out of the box, a plain English to working agent tool, also no, and it's not fully accessible to non-technical users. Here's the reality that no one is talking about. Production deployment has so many elements. Agent architecture expertise, evaluation frameworks, also error handling for problematic systems, guardrail implementation, as well as compliance and governance. And when we talk about enterprises, there's even more complexity. And this is why the third category exists: tools for enterprise use. Here you will find players like Microsoft Copilot Studio, Google Agent Space, and StackAI. But what exactly makes StackAI stand out? The simple answer is there is no limitations when it comes to things you can build on our platform. You're not limited by LLM provider like you are with AgentKit or Google. You're not locked into a specific set of tools like you are with Microsoft, and you can choose the AI that actually works best for your use case and connect it with any of over 100 integrations and tools that you already use. And if that's what you're looking for, here are a few more key benefits. We're an absolutely no-code visual builder, which means you can design agent logic and interfaces, then deploy and monitor with just a few clicks. Governance and compliance are built into our system. We are SOC 2 Type 2, GDPR, and HIPAA compliant. We also have on-premise deployment, approval flows, version controls, and real-time production notifications. We have very flexible pipelines and integrations where you can build RAG systems, call functions via tools, and one of the most valuable aspects is a white glove support from our forward deployed engineers, who will guide your team from idea to production, ensuring fast and smooth rollout. And the best part, the amount of time it takes from just an idea to a fully functional, production-ready AI agent is incredibly fast. So in the end of the day, StackAI is the most complete solution for teams that are looking for enterprise-grade, production-ready agents that are scalable, secure, and ready for real-world business use.